Google Drive is one of the most widely used Google products that a lot of users ignore. With this particular program on Google, you can send information, you can transfer data from one place to the other without any problem. All you need is just a link, and that is why this video is for you. Do you want to send an information to your friend, to your colleagues, even to your boss in office or your teacher, but you face with distance barrier? In this video, I will show you guys on how you can transfer that folder to the recipient in less than 30 seconds, and you are good to go. All it takes you is to make use of what is called Google Drive. Generate a link and send this link to the recipient, and once the link is accessible, then it's good to go. Open a Chrome browser on your laptop. Now, in the search bar, type in Google Drive. Make sure that you've logged into your email address or have your login details at hand. Now click on the first one, that is Google Drive, sign in. Once you click on the first one, it's going to bring to this interface. Make sure that you log into your account using your details. Now that I've done that, you have access to the files. All you have to do here is to generate a link so that you send this link to the recipient, and once it receives this link and click on the link, it's going to have access to the information under that link. So once you are here, locate the file you want to send to the recipient. So I want to send this file. So right click on whatever file you want to send. Let's say this one. Once you right click on it, then go to share button, click on it, then click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, that link is copied. Now send this link to anyone that you want him or her to access this file, either through the WhatsApp, through your email address, even through Telegram. Once the fellow click on that link, it's going to access everything under that file. That's all, guys, on how to share a link on Google Drive to send an information from one location to the other without breaking the barrier of distance. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.